I made it to Hawaii, guys. Yes, I did. After losing 230 pounds, getting 2 new knees, I'm doing a year of physical therapy, and I walk pretty good again for a 65-year-old baby boomer. And look where I am. I'm in Hawaii. I'm fulfilling a lifelong dream. Look at that orchid behind me. The thing is so gorgeous, and it blooms like year-round and keeps those same flowers for months. Pretty amazing. I mean, look at this stuff behind me. The mountain that'll soon be covered up by them clouds. You can only see it for a few hours in the morning. But I just got done doing water aerobics down in the pool, at the condo pool, which was amazing. Can't do it as early as I like because I want to wait for the sun to come out. And I want to do it in the sun, so I got some sun today. Anyway, if you don't know me, I'm Debbie Garcia. I am the badass baby booer. I'm saying that with more zeal these days and not feeling guilty about it, because I am a badass, because I have done some badass things. And I'm really excited for my new life because God gave me a second chance and I'm taking full advantage of it. Full advantage of it. Hawaii, this is an amazing place. The things I've seen so far is just like, it's awe-inspiring. And I'm going to show you a few clips. I got tons of videos. I haven't been able to get it edited, a lot of this stuff. It's only like 5 days here now, but I've got a lot of stuff. So I'm going to share a little bit with you now. I'm going to be having my 65th birthday here, September 10th. And I'm hoping to live stream if we got the guts and the internet. And so far we haven't found a beach that the water hasn't been really rough. They have a hurricane coming towards us. And so the waters have been really rough. And so the pool's great though. Who cares? I mean, it's beautiful just sitting down by the ocean. I got a great sunset video last night, and I'm just going to keep going down and getting more because, oh my God, the beauty of this place. I'll tell you, the flowers. There's birds everywhere you go. There's a bird landing, and we went somewhere yesterday and seen a bunch of goats just along the side of the road. So cool, a bunch of cute little goats. Anyway, I'm trying to film and get pictures of everything and share it with you guys because, I love you guys and I want to share this with you because after being in the wheelchair, 11 years ago I was in a wheelchair, almost 400 pounds, staring out the window, watching everybody else have fun. And now I'm trying to catch up. I'm gonna catch up too. It's gonna be an amazing story. Follow me. Subscribe to my channel because I got so much coming up. The loose skin surgery, this stuff. Wow. I'm ready to get rid of that. I'm sorry if I shocked you there, but yeah, I got loose skin surgery, new hips. Found out, I don't think I wait much longer with all these adventures for new hips. Yeah, the cages. I can't even believe I'm in Hawaii. I can't even believe this place. I mean, look at it. Look at it. Whew. To Hawaii. Plane's getting ready to take off.
Yep, we are going flying.
These two old ladies are going
The
to have a really good time.
Of the journey.
Yes. I'm in Hawaii. I'm on a plane.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Excuse me.
Take your time.
Thank you.
Thank you guys so much.
It's our pleasure.
Thank you. You're a pilot? Oh my God.
You'll be on the TikTok channel.
And YouTube. Whew. Dang. Oh. Look who's in Hawaii. Look who's in Hawaii. Oh my God, I can't even believe it, you guys.
Debbie enjoying the pool for the first time. She's on it like a butt, swimming like a star. Look at her go. Enjoying Hawaiian life.
Can I call it my?
I'm too chicken to lean out any further with my phone. This is my second morning rising in Hawaii. Slept much better last night, even though Miss Kitty kept waking me up. Naya, she used to mommy and daddy in that bed, so she's all over us. But I still slept good. And it was fun waking up with the little cat cuddling next to, yeah. I'll show you, Miss. She's making Chris and I very nervous. Yes, you are, because she likes being on the ledge up there. And she's the whole reason we're here. If it wasn't for her, we wouldn't be here. In a free condo, stocked cupboards and fridge, which I couldn't even believe it. I got to try pomegranate juice finally. And, well, look at that. Flowers. She's had those orchids for years, and they bloom like that, like year-round. She said those blooms will last for months. We are getting quite the history on Hawaii, and it's pretty amazing. The things that we're learning. Yeah, the White Devil stole Hawaii years ago, which, crazy story. But the mountain up here that I love staring at so far, it disappears as the day goes on, so... Yeah. See, we can see the mountain straight across from us, and as the day goes on, pretty soon you'll just be able to see the hill and those beautiful houses that are up there. I'm really, really happy that I made it. Really happy that I got to be here. And I'll be forever grateful to my friend Chris and her daughter, son-in-law,